Finding the courage to change. The good inventory. Shopkeepers understand the need to keep inventory. If we have an empty spot on the shelf, our customer will leave unhappy. Sometimes the needed item is in the building but still in stock. Keeping inventory and keeping track of stock are actions that help our customer. Taking a personal inventory doesn't have to be a scary thing to do. Keeping a good inventory of myself is a positive action. I'm not just looking for flaws or defects. I'm also looking for my positive and creative qualities. A good inventory is balanced. When I started working with a business coach, the first task that he assigned was to take an inventory, a positive inventory. But I didn't take it myself. I had to ask others what they saw as my best qualities. The answers that came back were surprising and enlightening. Others saw skills and positive qualities in me that I had been overlooking and discrediting. It quickly became obvious that I had been completely ignoring my positive attributes. I do keep track of my character defects and failures, but today I know that I can use the negative as a springboard to success. My biggest failures are frequently the foundation of my greatest strength and motivation. Today, if I have a problem, I choose to avoid getting lost in worry, fear, or frustration. Instead, I choose to take a good inventory. When I look over the stock on hand, I can usually find the ingredients for success.